How to make PM's Atmanirbhar Bharat a success? Can 5 P's be introduced to achieve PM's Atmanirbhar Bharat? When we talk of Atmanirbhar, it is likely to be based on the following pillars, namely economy, infrastructure, technology driven system, demography, and demand. The challenges faced by businessmen in India are governance, condition of financial markets, relative lack of basic universities, educations, situation of trade with neighboring countries, lack of good universities, situation of agriculture productivity, inflation, condition of infrastructure, lack of proper physical strategy, improving environment conditions. We have effectively experimented the concept of 5 Ps for developing the future. In case of strategy, which is a planning process, we consider plan, pattern, position, perspective, and ploy. Likely in marketing management, known as marketing mix, product, price, promotion, place, and people are considered. Whereas in production management, the product, the plant, the process, the program, the people plays a key role. 5 P's of leadership we consider personal attributes, position, purpose, practices, process, product. In case of culture management, it is package, potential, people, purpose, perception, which has got the significant role. Such is the case of Atmanirbhar Bharat, where 5 P's would be promote Indian brands products, provide consumers to the Indians, provide resources to the Indians, provide funds to the Indians, purchase Indian products. Promote Indian, anyone can promote any Indian brand by mouth speaking. Secondly, you can discuss with your near and dears. Second, provide consumers to Indians, make people enter into the Indian products by making them know the effects, benefits which they will get directly or indirectly in the current scenario as well as in the future. Provide resources to Indians. If you know someone unemployed, then make him do a startup or join a startup which will make India employed. If you cannot make them find a startup or opportunities, then partner with us. We will make him the only head of a city. Provide a fund to Indians. There there is the time to be patriotic. Fund Indian startup for good gains and for easy investment. Purchase Indian products. Buy Indian products. They are cheaper and consumer can make them quality in the way that they want. PMs is feeling the pain of common Indian. Can we contribute to relieve and make Atmanirbhar a success? Thank you.